Hello everyone, and welcome back to MC Eternal. We're back in our single-player world, and as you can see here, we are upgrading... What is this? Is this the house? I think it's the house. I think we've upgraded this builder's hut. So as you can see, there's now some new blocks here. We've got some glass, and I think some polished andesite, diorite, and granite, whichever one. That's diorite, that's granite, that's andesite, yeah. And we got some, some logs. A big furnace that it's built. That's pretty cool. Is there anything in there? A torch. So yeah, well, that's built. So that allows us to upgrade the house, which I believe is what's happening right now. So the house is getting upgraded. Oh, it's got an upstairs now. Or it's getting an upstairs built. I think it like builds the new structure and then kind of like removes the bits that aren't needed anymore. I don't know. It's being worked on though. They're getting to it. Now, what I've also done is I believe running underneath here. In fact, I think we might be able to see it. I'm not sure where exactly, but we got the ME network all the way over here. So I can stand inside this room here, right here, and open it. And we're not using infinity boosters or anything. How cool is that? So we have that all the way over here, which means it's much easier. And look, new roof. I had to use shingles for it. So that's going to be really cool. We'll check in with that when it's done. This episode, I'm not sure if I had a plan at the end of last episode, but what I'm thinking is, we've got pretty good power gen now. We might need another one of these, or maybe even upgrade it. Because these are limited, this energy cell is limited to 25,000 RF out, right? But we're only getting 23,688. That's how much these are generating. Oh, they're actually... Are they running low now? What's the issue causing them to run low? There's this guy, right? This guy has 8 out of 8 speed upgrades. He's not getting enough hydrogen. Is that the case? Yes, he's slightly not getting enough. Now, this guy isn't doing anything at the moment. These guys are working non-stop. No speed upgrades in them. So I could plop a speed upgrade in if we wanted to do that real quick. Speed... at mech speed. Can we make one? Let's see if we can make... We got 2. So let's have a look. Hopefully we've got enough of everything to do this. So this is now going twice as fast as it was, which is the equivalent of building a 3rd guy. Also, he's finished building. I guess we'll go check. So now this guy should be getting a little bit more hydrogen. What we can do, we're making enough power. I can throw another speed guy in here too. And that should be fine. Let's go have a look. Also, today's episode, just before we get too distracted, we're going to be making, or attempting to make, some compact machines. We're going to have a play with that mod a bit. I just want to make sure we've got all this stuff up and running, which is pretty cool. I feel like, is that meant to be like that? Oh yeah, I guess it's like an open window, perhaps? I don't know, it just looks very off, doesn't it? We might break that just because of how off it looks. Okay, so we've got like some little workshop area out there, or a horse garage maybe. And what have we got in here? An upstairs that we can actually go up into now. 2 beds. Nice. Okay. Well, you are going to have the cook as your neighbor. Well, not neighbor, but actually your roommate. So we should be able to assign a citizen. The cook. Assign. There you go. You now have a house. Where are you? I believe you're currently in the restaurant. There you are. Oh, there's a bird inside. What's he got? He's got Inferium. Oh, yeah. Did we make 2 houses? I think we did. Should I get this up and running while the episode's going, or should I work on the compact machines? I don't know. Let's, I do want to upgrade this, though. Right? We're going to need... it's not too bad of requests. We'll make the request. The builder should start building it. And then that will be a house for every single citizen that we have. Which should be pretty good. And we can actually go over here. And so basically what I do is I go here and I look cobblestone slab, crafting table, furnace. So I'll grab like 2 stacks of cobblestone. I'll search for the slab, get a stack of that. And then it's what? A furnace and a crafting table. Hopefully it's one of each. Normally I just grab it. Oh. Crafting table. We'll just grab all that. Then you go here and you just send it all in. And you need to make sure that this chest here is empty. I don't know what the particles are. Do you see that? I don't know what that's from. Yeah, you want to make sure it has enough room. So you want to take out things that, you know, shouldn't be in there. Silver ore, coal, amber. Because they pick up things as they walk, and they fill up this chest, and that, along with their inventory, holds everything. So they can run out of room. Glass pane, gravel, chest. We can throw all this stuff back in the network. Glass pane. Was it gravel, chest? I think. So this is just what I do. Normally I do it off camera, but I thought I'd show it for you guys. So it's the same for all this stuff. Obviously you've seen these timber frames before. They're a bit more confusing to get a hold of because you need to make like, I don't know. It's just it's really annoying. The timber frames I'm not a fan of. The rest of that I'll do later, but just to show you how it works with my wireless network. It's a lot easier to set that up. Let's start doing something new though. And that is the compact machines. Now these compact machines, it doesn't actually look like they cost that much. Also, I might have done this off camera too. I made a whole bunch of other CPUs, and I moved these crafters were previously behind here, so I've just moved them out here. So it looks a little bit nicer, a little bit. Bit by bit I'm making it slightly cleaner. And I think that might have been the only other stuff that was off camera. I don't know. Alright, so compact machine. First thing we need is this personal shrinking device. So this apparently is a really easy recipe. There we go. Looks like a nice little Game Boy, which is pretty cool. And this lets us go into the machines, and apparently it's also a guide that'll tell me how to do things. Okay. Well, I know we need some of these. Miniaturization field projectors. You place 4 opposite of each other to create a miniaturization crafting field. Right-click to get hints where the next projector needs to be. So we can make one of these, and it gives us 4, and it uses the personal shrinking device in the recipe, but it doesn't use it up. So then where do we want to set this up? I guess right here wouldn't be too bad. Might just tidy this up a bit. Do I have my building gadget? I don't. Building gadget would make that a lot easier. So I think, oh look. So it shows you like where you can place it. So if I place it, it will face that way. If I place it on this corner, I can place it there. So I guess I want to do something like this. And then if I right click it, missing opposite field projector. Okay. So opposite of this guy, I would like to play. Oh, if I hold him out. Oh no, is that because I right clicked him? It shows me where I can build it. So we could say here, for instance, right? And then it shows me where the extra ones go. Oh, that's really nice. So then I place some here. And one here. And that should be good. Invalid block infield. Air. Okay. So I think we also need to kind of build them up a bit, right? So if I break this guy, and we get some, we'll do cobblestone. Place it up here, like so. And right click it. We can see where we can place the other ones. My game is frozen at the moment. Hopefully it didn't crash. Yeah, we're good. Just so that you guys don't think the video's bugged out. That is happening on my end too, believe it or not. So we can go here. And then up here, I believe we want to go up a bit. Here, hopefully. Nope, down one. What about now? Yep, and we can see over here. Perfect. We can place up. Oh, of course I fell. Of course, and I switched it over to coal. Okay. So this guy then goes on that side. We can right click him to figure out where the next bit goes. And that is over here, I think. Now that one I just placed might not be on the right level because I don't know, it seems like it was acting a bit weird as to where it wanted me to place this. Ah, we've done it. Look at this. So I think now we build inside that cube, and it miniaturizes. I think. Let's open this guy. Compact machine. They come in various sizes, ranging from 3 by 3 by 3 to 13 by 13 by 13. Okay. What about this? Okay, this is what we're gonna read. So I've made this structure, I think. Right? Once placed correctly, they will start emitting a miniaturization field. Build a recipe, like specified in JEI, and throw the catalyst item inside the field to start the crafting process. Okay, so the catalyst, tiny compact machine, provides a 5 by 5 by 5 room. What range do we have here? Does it tell us if I right-click this guy? No valid recipe found. 1. Here, do we actually have a tape measure? Can we access from here? Tape measure. Tape measure. Oh, measure. I think this guy, do we want? We can also make it daytime. I should be able to place this here, and we can figure out the range of everything. Where's this? This block here that I'm on. So I can place this here. And we can see it's a 7 by 7. So if we want a compact machine that is 7 by 7, we require this guy. So a gold block, I think that's the catalyst, right? No, the enderpearl is. Okay. So a gold block. 26. 7 by 7 by 7. So we need 26 compact walls. And that is redstone and iron blocks. Multi-block miniaturization. Okay. Let's give ourselves a podium here. Something to work on. Oh. I guess that's fine, right? So is that in the circle yet? In the square, I mean? No. So anything placed on top of this is inside the miniaturization stuff, right? So can I access network from here? So iron block and redstone. Let's try and figure this out. Iron block. Let's grab a stack. Let's grab some redstone. Right? Do I place these like this with the redstone on top? And then what? Then do I right click this guy? How does it work? So for this compact machine, multi-block structure. A normal compact machine. So yeah, this is the recipe. I'm kind of understanding it. So to make this, the redstone is the catalyst. Right? So I believe, do I do that? Oh. Do I do that? Okay, we're going to figure this out. What if I do this? No valid recipes found. We might have to look up a tutorial or something. Ah, I'm making a mess. Okay. I need my drill. Drill. Here. It's inside the field. Right? Yeah, it is inside the field. And it's a block of iron and redstone. Right? Or can you only do one? 1 by 2 by 1 it says. 1 by 2 by 1. What does that mean? Okay. Is that not... Let's try and disable this. Throw it into the miniaturization field. That's what that's what it says, doesn't it? Throw this into the miniaturization field to start the crafting process. A redstone on top of an iron block gives me 16 compact machine walls. Recipe for compact machine wall. Oh, okay. So now it's miniaturizing that. And I get that. Okay. So, okay, I get it. So we just need to do that again. I've got to right click this every time before I do it. No? Or maybe I need the thing to be thrown in there and then I right click it. No? Okay. What? What? I don't understand. Okay, it worked that time. I guess just keep trying until it works. So now, now I've got the 26 required. So it seems I'm doing a 3x3x3 with a gold block in the middle, is my assumption. Gold block. We put the iron and the redstone away, and we're going to need an ender pearl, which we have plenty of apparently. So let us make a 3x3. So I think this turns into a 7x7. So if I do this, right? If we right click that guy, and I throw this. Ah! Ah! Okay. Ender pearl. Yeah, let's just grab a heap. I think it's because I have my reach. I think that's what I figured out what it was. So because I have extra reach as one of the upgrades on here. Also here, we'll actually watch what's happening. I'll explain why in a second. We have a normal compact machine. Okay, but yeah, so because my reach allows me to reach this from like this far away, it right clicks it and it does say stuff, but I think that there's like, I don't know, a bug or something. So you actually have to be within real normal, no modifier right click range. So that's why I jumped up and right clicked and it seemed to work. Okay, we have a compact machine now. What does this do? Well, I believe I could place it here, or I don't know, we could go in our processing room, might be fun. I could go in here, and I could place it right here, as if it were a machine. And I can go inside of it, like it's its own dimension. And if I'm not mistaken, we should be in a 7x7x7 room. Okay. Here we are. How cool is this? So this is our first compact room. So can we reach out? We can't reach our network from here. I wonder if there's a way to do that though. A tunnel. Used to connect wall blocks with outside compact machine faces. How do we make that? Maybe we should make one of those. Okay, so yeah, you're basically in here. The walls aren't harvestable. You can't break them. But you can build in here. I can place this stuff down. And all of these blocks are within the range. So these ones I can break because they haven't been miniaturized. Sort of. I don't know. But essentially, I could have my entire ore processing happen in here, and it only takes up one block space. Right? I could move all of this stuff in there, and let's try to figure out how these tunnels work. So I need a hopper and 8 redstone. Hopper and 8 redstone. Here we go. Let's run over here. It was something like this, wasn't it? It wasn't on top of stuff, was it? No. 8, 1. And we get 2. Okay. So place redstone all around. Place a hopper. Go up here and right click it within range that a normal right click would work. And then throw in a piece of redstone. And here we go. What happens if I jump in there? Do I break things? Oh, you can see the redstone's still on there. It just doesn't have a texture from below. And there we go. We have our 2 tunnels. So how do these work? I'm not entirely sure. I'm going to try right-clicking the side. Oh, you can open it. Preview. Whitelist. Lock for other players. Ah. Oh, and we've gone in. I wasn't sure what that would do. Okay. Very interesting. Let's see these tunnels. So, if we look at our compass, this is the south wall. I can place a tunnel on this. Okay. So, up, north. Oh, so this could be on any wall, right? It doesn't seem to be harvestable. So, I wonder how you would pick it back up. Ah, you just right-click it enough times. So, I could decide for any wall to be the south, right? It makes sense for the south to be the south, though. So, I could have this one here, change it to be south. And we could have even just this one here be up. Then if I leave, we should see possibly a change on them. So that side's south and that side's up, right? Let's see what happens if we get... I guess I could use a hopper, right? Oh, we could actually... Oh, this is going to be great. So if I put a hopper here, and we say put 55 redstone here, and then we have a chest on the top, and if I get another hopper here, or maybe some item conduits. Let's bring everything with, and let's go back inside. Oh, back inside. Here we go. So now from here, we should see redstone coming in from the outside, and then I should be able to do possibly just this. Right? This guy always extract. This guy always insert. We leave here, and then I should be able to place a chest on top. That is pretty cool. Okay. So if I break this now, we should get the rest of our redstone. Do we put 55 in? Maybe. I don't know exactly. Let's try it with power now, because I'm not sure if power works. If power works, we can move our entire power gen into one of these. So, what would we need for this? We would need a generator, I guess. We could do a magmatic, or we could just make one. Let's make a generator. Which generator should we make? Just a furnace generator? Sure. Let's get some coal. Let's get energy conduits. 5 of these, or we could use those. Let's make some more energy conduits. These ones we want. Bam. That should be enough. 13. And I would like a battery. I think these have stuff in them. Yeah. I want a fresh battery. So let's make a brand new battery. We'll just make one of these. Easiest one to make. So. Oh no, it's charging above me. I didn't want that. Okay, well it has 432,000, right? I should be able to place... You know what, we won't place that yet. We'll go inside it. Right? We will... Do I have my wrench? We do. I'll pick up all this. We'll chop this up. Do I have an axe? I do. We came prepared. You can place these conduits. Oh no, I changed it. Okay. South. Place this. Going through here. Right? This guy should be on extract always active. This guy should be on insert. We can exit this. And this, I'm just making sure the power can travel through this. I'm seeing all the different things that work. Dun, 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 dun. We're back out. Okay, so 432,000. 432,000. The power's not staying in this generator. It works. Power travels through. Because look, this changed. Yeah, it's changing. Oh my god. And I think that's the only important stuff. So, we can make a heap more compact machines. We can start to move our power inside of them if we wanted to. And yeah. Imagine imagine instead of this mess, it's just one block. The mess still exists, but it's inside the block. Now, there's two sides to this. There's one side where it's like, that's pretty cool. And there's the other side where it's like, but then you don't need to build structures, right? You don't need to build fun little things. You can just have blocks. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure exactly. We might have to... you know what? We'll sleep on it. We'll decide later. I'll fill up the builder with everything he needs to finish building the new house. So that will be going in the background of the next episode. Or if I'm just offline. These guys are full now. Which means we are exporting the same amount, it seems. So that's interesting. We could just build another one of these, if I'm completely honest. Let's, here. Gas burning. Make sure I don't have one already in the system. Nope. Can I make one? I need steel casing. I need... what do I need? Ah, we need some more stuff. Oh yeah, well, I can expand that. We can get both quarries running non-stop. They currently are still running at the moment. So we should see... oh. Ugh. It's running faster than our system can import it in. Okay. We'll have to work on that as well. We can, I don't know. I mean, honestly, we could compact machine the entire drawer system, our entire storage, I think. I don't know. There's lots of ideas, lots of ideas. I really like this. We could make a cool structure for this, I think. And that sounds pretty cool. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subbing. I thought I'd get a single player vid out, and I think I had Will from the server and a friend in real life. He said the compact machines are really cool. We saw Gannett using one on the server, so we figured, hey, it'd be a fun idea to hop into the single player world and test it out, you know, see how it works. And it works pretty cool. So the one thing that you need to keep in mind is you need to be within range of this guy to actually right-click him. Even if you have a reach on, this doesn't work. It says it works, like it shows the recipe and it updates here, but it doesn't, for some reason, let you throw the catalyst in. That's just what I noticed anyway. I might be wrong, but if you're having that issue, that might be what's up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subbing, and I hope to see you all in the next video. And check out the Discord. It's in the description. Goodbye.